So this is the view of the Andes from the hallway in my new apartment building. That's the elevator. That's my door there to the right. And so yeah, there's the Andes. Got a little bit of a hazy sunset going on right now. And then this tower to the left is actually the tallest building in South America, which is pretty cool. Hey guys, so I'm here in my apartment now. This is the apartment I'll be living in for the rest of my 6 months here in Chile. And so I found this apartment through a website called Contact Chile, which is kind of like Airbnb, but more Chile specific, I guess. So I'm renting a 1-bedroom, and it has a private bathroom in an apartment owned by a woman named Marius, and she lives here with her daughter. And so I'm just renting the room, and I share the kitchen and living space. And actually Marius was really nice and offered to cook my meals for me. So she's making my dinner, which costs a little extra per month, but I feel like it's totally worth it because I hate cooking. So anyway, I wanted to give you guys a tour. I've actually been here for a couple of days now, but I felt a little bit weird about like filming this while Marius and her daughter were here, so I thought I would wait till they're gone. And so now that they're gone, I'm gonna show you guys the room. So this is my doorway, and you come in. It's a really small little room. I have a twin bed. I think it actually might be a little wider than a twin because they called it a plaza y media, which I think is like twin and a half. Anyway, and then I have a little nightstand. And then I have this window that actually doesn't go to the outside. It just goes to like another room. But there's the outside just out there. So it's like a little balcony kind of room. Anyway, so then right over here, I have my little closet, and I just have, you know, not very many hangers, but I have my stuff and my food and some drawers down at the bottom. And then I have this little space here for a hamper and my suitcase. This is where I put my clothes that are too clean for the hamper but too dirty to go back in the closet. And then this is my little private bathroom. So I have a real teeny little shower and sink and a toilet. Pretty much all you need. So yeah, that's my little room. I'm not going to show you guys the rest of the apartment just because it's not really my private space, and I feel kind of weird about showing it on this channel. So maybe once I've been here for a little longer, I'll feel more comfortable doing that. But for right now, it's going to remain a secret. But you guys can rest assured that it's a cute little apartment, and I'm on the 5th floor of a nice secure building. There's actually a pool and a little park that's like part of the apartment complex, so that's kind of nice. It's definitely too cold right now to go swimming or even hang out in the park too much, but hopefully when the weather gets warmer, I'll be able to spend a little bit more time there. And yeah, otherwise, like I said, the room is pretty small, but it's what I need for now, and I think it'll be perfect for while I'm here. So yeah.